Hey guys, I decided to try this cow horn okra. Looked like it was calling my name. I put some seed starting mix in a container that had strawberries in it, y'all. See, I already got holes in it. So I'm gonna just wet it a little bit and put the okra in there and see what happens, y'all. I am not gonna soak the okra first. I'm gonna just put it right in the soil, and whatever grows, when it get to become a decent looking seedling, I will plant it in my raised bed. All right, y'all. I just pre-moistened it, wet water. Now I'm gonna put in my seed. All right, y'all. Okra don't like to be planted that deep, so there's a few okras there covered up. That's all. I normally put 3 in there, and then just cover it up with the soil. Just don't know the germination rate on this. Yes, too, y'all. They did fall out by itself, so just cover it up. And only the Most High knows what's gonna come up these okras, so. I'm just seeing what'll happen. It's just trial and error sometimes when you're learning how to grow some things. And okra is one of them. Sometimes they say soak it first for so many hours and it'll have a better chance at growing. But y'all, this time I decided to just direct seed it and see what's gonna happen. Because who knows what'll germinate in this soil. It's just seed starting soil, so we'll see, y'all. That's all I can do. And whatever comes out is good. And that's that. I have more seeds if I need to try it again. If we got any more left. No, that's it. Huh? One more left. And I'll just try to let it do its thing, y'all. Now, I'm gonna just cover it up and let it do like maybe a greenhouse effect. I'll check it in a few days, y'all. I just took the sticker off to see if it could get a little bit more sun.